Think you're a Disney expert? Let's put your knowledge to the test. If you're new, here is how our quizzes work. We'll show you 50 POV views from Disney World rides. Some you'll recognize instantly. Others might challenge even the biggest Disney fans. You'll have 5 seconds to guess the ride before their name is revealed. Keep track of how many you get right, and let us know your score in the comments. Are you ready? Let's dive into the magic of Walt Disney World. Tron Light Cycle Run in Magic Kingdom, one of Disney World's newest coasters, where you lean forward on a light cycle and rocket into the grid. The Seas with Nemo and Friends in Epcot, an easygoing dark ride that drops you into an ocean story and ends with access to a massive aquarium. Star Wars: Rise of the Resistance in Disney's Hollywood Studios, an all-out multi-part Star Wars adventure that feels like you wandered into a movie. Haunted Mansion in Magic Kingdom. Classic spooky fun with 999 happy haunts and a ride that's creepy, clever, and never too scary. Dinosaur in Disney's Animal Kingdom. A loud, fast, bumpy time travel dash back to the prehistoric past with serious hold-on energy. Grand Fiesta Tour, starring the Three Caballeros in Epcot. A relaxing boat ride through the Mexico Pavilion packed with music, color, and silly surprises. Tomorrowland Speedway in Magic Kingdom. Old school driving fun where you're behind the wheel on a guided track in Tomorrowland. It's a Small World in Magic Kingdom, a timeless boat ride through stylized scenes from around the globe, complete with that legendary song. Mission Space in Epcot, a space flight simulator that can be intense, with a mission setup that makes it feel like you're really launching. Slinky Dog Dash in Disney's Hollywood Studios, a family coaster that's pure Toy Story land joy, with smooth launches and playful twists. 10 down already. How's your score looking? Drop your number in the comments when you're done, and no rounding up allowed. Expedition Everest in Disney's Animal Kingdom, a mountain expedition coaster with big thrills and a legendary guardian you definitely don't want to meet. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway in Disney's Hollywood Studios, a trackless cartoon adventure where the world bends like animation comes to life. Soarin' Around the World in Epcot, a hang-gliding flight over famous landmarks with wind, sense, and some truly postcard-worthy views. The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh in Magic Kingdom, a whimsical ride through the 100-acre wood that's all honey bounce and storybook charm. Avatar Flight of Passage in Disney's Animal Kingdom, an immersive flying experience that's often considered one of the most impressive rides on property. Bonus time. Do you recognize this extinct Disney World ride? Leave your guess in the comments. Rock and Roller Coaster, starring Aerosmith in Disney's Hollywood Studios, a launch coaster with inversions and rock concert energy from the first second. Astro Orbiter in Magic Kingdom, a spinner high above Tomorrowland that's simple, classic, and surprisingly great for views. Living with the Land in Epcot, part gentle boat ride, part real greenhouse tour, and quietly one of the most Epcot rides ever. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train in Magic Kingdom, a family coaster that swings and glides through a sparkling mine inspired by Snow White. Walt Disney World Railroad in Magic Kingdom, an old-fashioned Grand Circle tour that's perfect when you want to rest your feet and still feel the park. That's 20. If you're still perfect, you're either a Disney genius or you've watched way too many POV videos. Share your score in the comments. Navi River Journey in Disney's Animal Kingdom, a calm, atmospheric boat ride through Pandora's glowing rainforest. Toy Story Mania in Disney's Hollywood Studios, an interactive target game where everyone suddenly gets competitive, even the "I'm just here for fun" people. Pirates of the Caribbean in Magic Kingdom, a classic Disney boat ride through pirate battles, treasure, and timeless scenes. Frozen Ever After in Epcot, a boat ride through Arendelle that mixes songs, big scenes, and a moment that surprises first-timers. Dumbo the Flying Elephant in Magic Kingdom, a classic spinner where you control how high you fly, and it never stops being a rite of passage. Enjoying the challenge? Take a moment to like and subscribe so you never miss a new Disney quiz. Kilimanjaro Safaris in Disney's Animal Kingdom, a safari truck ride where the animals are real and every trip is different. The Twilight Zone Tower of Terror in Disney's Hollywood Studios, an eerie hotel mystery that ends with unpredictable drops and serious screams. Under the Sea, Journey of the Little Mermaid in Magic Kingdom, a bright musical dark ride retelling Ariel's story with classic scenes and songs. Spaceship Earth in Epcot, a slow, iconic ride through the history of human communication inside the park's signature sphere. Jungle Cruise in Magic Kingdom, a jungle river cruise powered by animatronics, atmosphere, and skippers who commit fully to the jokes. 30 down. Hang in there. What's your score so far? Toss it in the comments and tell me which one stumped you the most. Kali River Rapids in Disney's Animal Kingdom, a spinning river ride with a big message and an even bigger guarantee: you will get wet. Alien Swirling Saucers in Disney's Hollywood Studios, a playful spin ride in Toy Story Land that whips you around like the aliens are driving. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad in Magic Kingdom, the wildest ride in the wilderness with runaway train thrills through a mining town. Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind in Epcot, a high-energy indoor coaster that spins through space set to music like it's a cosmic dance party. Peter Pan's Flight in Magic Kingdom, a suspended dark ride that flies you over London and into Neverland, and it's still a fan favorite. Wildlife Express train in Disney's Animal Kingdom, a real train ride that takes you out to the conservation and animal care area of the park. Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run in Disney's Hollywood Studios. Step into the Falcon and run a mission where your role actually affects how it goes. Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover in Magic Kingdom. Laid back, breezy, and the best reset button ride in Tomorrowland. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure in Epcot, a trackless chase that makes you feel tiny while you scramble through a bustling kitchen. The Barnstormer in Magic Kingdom, a short junior coaster that's quick, punchy, and perfect for a little thrill boost. 40 down. This is the home stretch. If you're still guessing confidently, you're officially a super fan. Share your score when you finish. Star Tours The Adventures continue in Disney's Hollywood Studios, a motion simulator with randomized Star Wars missions, so it can feel different each time. Space Mountain in Magic Kingdom, a dark indoor coaster where the surprise turns and drops do all the heavy lifting. Journey into imagination with Figment in Epcot, a quirky, colorful ride that celebrates creativity with a lovable purple troublemaker. Tiana's Bayou Adventure in Magic Kingdom, a musical bayou journey that builds toward a big splash and a big celebration. Prince Charming Regal Carousel in Magic Kingdom, a gorgeous, classic carousel that feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Test Track in Epcot. Design your car, then put it through stress tests that end with a fast outdoor speed run. Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin in Magic Kingdom. Spin your vehicle, hit targets, and chase that high score like your honor depends on it. The Magic Carpets of Aladdin in Magic Kingdom, a flying spinner where you control your height and soak up Adventureland energy. Liberty Square Riverboat in Magic Kingdom, a peaceful paddle wheel cruise around the rivers of America with classic frontier views. Mad Tea Party in Magic Kingdom, spinning teacups and pure Wonderland chaos, with you in full control of how wild it gets. That's all 50 rides. Post your score, and let's see how magical your WDW knowledge really is. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know how you did in the comments below. See you real soon for more Disney trivia.